to London Waterloo, calling at West Byfleet, Weybridge, Walton-on-Thames, Surbiton, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. Train has 12 carriages.
Alright?
Yep, I'll close the doors. Doors will reopen in a few minutes. Wait, stand back. Doors will reopen. Train's gonna split. Doors will reopen. Okay, we're good. Go for it.
Right, okay.
The train at platform 5B is the 1428 South Western Railway service to Basingstoke, travelling front 8 carriages for Brookwood, Farnborough Main, Fleet, Winchfield, Hook and Basingstoke.
Doors will open.